Hey everybody. All the stuff got here from the Grow Strong Cup, Gorilla Grow, Super Closet, Kind LED, and Lotus Nutrients. So first thing first is the gorilla in the room. Let's start with the 2x4 tent. I always use a screwdriver with a very dull edge to break the tape. Even though Gorilla Grow, I have several of their tents, they're always good to keep a cardboard barrier between the tent and you, so you don't screw it up like this. So that's gone. So this is the 2x4, and we'll see what we got with it. Standard tent, all the poles, and it looks to me like the extension came with it too. That's excellent. So we'll get this set up tomorrow. Get that all set in the grow area. Open up this beast, give it a look. I've got a 2.5x2 tent. There is a 3x3, a 4x4, and a 5x5. Oh yes, the extension's in here. Fantastic. I love the way they package things. It's really excellent. So, 2x4 tent, all ready to go. We'll get it constructed tomorrow, put it together with the lights, and show you that development.